Hi guys, I'm Chandni Goyal and today I'll be talking about a 3-step patented technique of doing eyebrows from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This technique basically helps in mapping out the key points on your eyebrows to determine where a person's eyebrows should begin, arch and end. And this technique is called the golden ratio method. I'm going to be using the Perfect Brow Pencil from ABH to map out the key points to determine where my eyebrow should begin, arch and end. So according to the golden ratio method, your eyebrows should begin from the center of your nostrils up. So I'm just going to make a point here. That's where my eyebrow should start. Then your eyebrows should end from the corner of your nostrils aligning with the outer corner of your eye. That's where your eyebrow should end. So another point. And then the arch of your eyebrow should be from the tip of your nose aligning with the center of your iris. That's where the highest point or the arch of your eyebrow should be. So now that I've got the key points to my eyebrows, I'm quickly going to fill my brows and be right back. Okay, so I've done my brows according to the golden ratio technique and I really feel that it makes a lot of difference in enhancing and accentuating one's facial features. I hope you guys like this video and I'll see you guys very soon with another mini makeup tutorial. Bye bye.